made $27,580 with this simple free method, and you can too. If you're on this video, there's a high chance that you've watched several other videos looking for different ways to make money online, and you're after a perfect method that's completely free and that you can start right away. Well, if that really is the case, this is the video that you need to watch. I'm going to show you from start to finish the exact method that this guy used to make $27,580. This is completely free, it's completely easy, and you can do it sitting at your computer right now. The only thing you're going to need for this is a computer and an internet connection. You're not going to have to download any software. You're not going to have to pay for any membership. This is a completely free method that you can do right now. If that is something you're really interested in, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you are subscribed, make sure you turn on notifications so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video, which is pretty much daily on this channel. So let's just get into it. I'm going to show you exactly the method first, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do. And then I'm going to show you proof that this guy actually made $27,000 with this method. So let's just jump into it. Let's go to Google and let's get started. Okay, so here I am on Google, and I'm assuming that's where you're going to start from as well. The reason I start from Google and don't just link these websites in the description is because when I link websites, YouTube just doesn't push the video as much. So I'll show you how you can get exactly to the website from Google. So what you want to do is you want to type in BeFunky and then click search, and it's going to be the top one here, photo editor, BeFunky, free online photo editing and collage maker. Click on that, and this is going to be one of the two websites that we're going to use in a sequence to basically make us some money. So when you get to BeFunky, it's pretty simple. You just need to click on this box here called Get Started, and it's going to load up a photo editor that we can use. Now click Start New, and it's going to open up a blank canvas, and here you can import a photo, and here you can start to edit a photo. Now this is the software that's going to make us some money, and I'm going to show you exactly why and how it's going to make us money in a minute. But I'm going to import an already existing photo into this software, but I'm going to explain everything as we go along. So here is the photo that we're going to be using. Now this is basically a selfie, a headshot of somebody that's got acne and that somebody that has bad skin. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting rid of the acne, we're going to be making the skin shine, and we're just going to be making the photo look a lot better overall, and we're simply just going to be retouching the photo, and that's how we're going to be making the money. And I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can find photos to retouch in a second. For this example though, I've just got a stock photo from Google that we're going to use. So to retouch photos, what we're looking to do is make this photo come out like this. So it's smooth skin, no acne, and it's just looking a lot better overall. So what we want to do is we want to start with the acne. So with this photo editor here, you want to scroll down and you want to click on Touch Up. When you're on Touch Up, there are going to be a lot of features that you can't actually use that are for pro members, but we don't need any of them, we just need the blemish fix. So click on that tool and you're going to get a brush here. Now you can make the brush bigger or smaller, and the idea here is to click on the parts that have acne, and it's then going to remove them, it's then going to make the skin smooth. So if we take this part here and we click on it, you can see it gets rid of the acne. So we keep doing that for each individual spot. Now what you want to be aiming for here is you want to make the brush size slightly larger than the acne, and it's going to basically get rid of it altogether. And you just want to do that for the many spots and the many zits that are on the face. So I'm just going to do that now. It's literally so easy. You just have to mess around with the brush size and then you can click on it. And you want to just take your time with this, but literally all you're doing here is clicking on the spots. So once you've done that and once you've got every single spot, obviously I've done mine pretty rushed, but you would take your time with yours and you'd maybe spend like 5 minutes on this. In fact, that one's terrible. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that. That's pretty much got rid of all of the spots. Maybe there's a couple under the eyes that we can select here, but for the most part, it's pretty well done and all of the spots are gone. Obviously, you would take more time with this. Now, the next thing in the process that you want to do is you want to save this, and then we want to go and upload it to a different website where we can basically make the skin a lot lighter and where we can make the skin a lot smoother. So you go to save here, you want to go to computer, and you want to save this and you want to change it to a PNG file. So I'll save it as a PNG file and I'll save it as example 1. So I'll save it as example 1, make sure you've got use watermark unchecked, otherwise you're going to get a watermark on the image. And obviously if you're editing someone's image, you don't want a watermark. So click save once you've done that. Then it's going to give you the example one, and you can see if we open it here, this is what it's looking like now. So this is the photo that we've edited, and this is the one that's already been touched up. You can see it kind of looks similar, there's no acne no more, but the skin is a lot brighter on this one. And that's what we're going to be aiming for. So just so we can edit this one perfectly, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to go to edit, and I'm just going to crop out the already edited photo so we can then compare it in a second. So I'll just get rid of that, I'll click tick, and then I'll just save this one again. Okay, so now we've saved it. Now what we need to do is go into another website and make the skin just a lot brighter, and just make it pop a lot more. So again, we're back on Google. What you need to search for this time is faux.toe, and it should come up here, so it's basically photo. Now what you want to do is, don't click on the main page, you just want to click on face retouch here. So click on that, and it's going to take you straight to the page that you actually need to be on. Otherwise you're going to have to find it through links on their website, and it's quite hard to find like on their main page. So here we are on photo face retouch. What we need to do now is click enhance your photo and then upload a photo. So we'll click from computer, and I'll go into my downloads and I'll search for example 2. And here is the example that we've just edited in here. Okay, so this is now uploading. We can now wait for this to upload. And what it's going to do is it's automatically going to scan the photo, and it's automatically going to add some effects to it. So you can see it's added skin makeup, shine remover, wrinkle smoothing, red eye, teeth whitening, glamour effect, and colour enhancement. And it's made it a lot smoother. Now if we just click this and see the original, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but you can see on the original there is a lot of spots and it's just red around the cheeks. But on the enhanced version it's smoother, and you can just see in the face it's a lot smoother. It basically makes the face so much smoother. So this is the old version, this is the edited version. It just shines a lot more. So once you've done that, you can mess around with like some of these properties here, but I'm going to leave them on default just for the video, just so I'm showing you. Now what you want to do is right click on this and then click save, and you want to click download, and now you can save this image as. So I'll save this in my downloads again as example 2 finished. So now let's just compare all of these photos, right? Okay, so here's the example. Here's the picture that I downloaded from Google here. You can see there's quite a few spots in it and the skin is quite dry. Now what we did is we made it so it looks like this. We got rid of the spots and we just made the skin a lot smoother. Then what we did is we took this photo to the next website and we cleaned it up and we made it look like this. So you can see it's now a lot smoother, all of the spots have gone, and the skin just shines a lot brighter. And that's basically what this person's done to make $25,000, I think I said. This is basically the method in a nutshell to make a substantial amount of money. Now you might be thinking, how has this guy made so much money by doing photo retouching, and how has he found people that actually want to get the photos edited? Now the website that he's used for that is people per hour. Now on people per hour you can basically go and hire people to do certain jobs and certain projects. So if you come to people per hour and you type in here photo retouch, you can see there are loads of different listings from different people who will retouch your photos. Just from this one listing here, this guy's made $27,000. So if we just click on it here, you can see that for $10 he's going to edit 2 photos. He's basically editing this photo and changing it to this, and he's charging $10 for 2 different photos. Now if we just come down to here, you can see he's had 2,758 sales. Now if we just do the maths on that and we get the calculator out, and we do $10 times by 2,758, you can see he's made $27,580 just off this one listing here. And that is honestly crazy. The amount of money that this guy's made just from retouching photos is absolutely insane. Like, you could do this exact method, you could list your job service on people per hour, and you could start to get clients and you could start to make some money. Now on top of this, this guy also does other listings like removing background images and very simple Photoshop work like that. These are also some other jobs that you could do. You could literally find a website online to remove background images and also do that kind of job. But just from his one listing here, he's had 2,758 sales, which is absolutely crazy for saying I've just showed you exactly how he pretty much does it. So that in short has been how this guy made $27,000. Please go and do this method, go and actually make a listing on people per hour and just see if you can make some money. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.